If you've ever wondered how to use Cricut in creative journaling, I've got 5 easy ways to show you. Whether you're a journaler curious about Cricut or a Cricut user looking to get into creative journaling, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact ways I use Cricut to make my creative journals more personal, fun, and interactive. I love designing my stickers and ephemera pieces so that my journal pages are completely personalized. No more searching for the perfect stickers, I just make them using the image library in Cricut Design Space. Find an image, go to the Operations menu, and select Print Then Cut on Cricut Joy Extra, Explore, and Maker machines. Or if you're a Cricut Access subscriber, you can select Create Sticker for even more customization. Use sticker paper to make stickers or cardstock for paper ephemera. Stencils help me add extra flair to my pages, and I love using them with spray inks and dimensional mediums like texture paste. Instead of buying pre-made stencils, I design and cut my own with Cricut. I designed this border stencil using chevron arrows. Then I cut out my design with a Cricut acetate sheet. The acetate holds up well with liquid mediums. When I want a unique journal that fits my style, I make my own. Cricut helps me cut covers and inside pages. Then I bind them by hand stitch or with the We Are Makers cinch machine. Tell me in the comments if you've used a Cricut to design and create your own journals. I'd love to hear your experiences. I also enjoy adding interactive elements to my journals, like pockets for hidden journaling, tabs for dividers, or die-cut inserts just to add a little interest. You can decorate these elements by cutting them out with patterned paper, adding stickers, or spritzing them with spray inks. Lastly, I use Cricut pens for drawing, doodling, and even writing captions and full journal entries. Turn any font from cut to draw by going to the Operation menu, selecting Draw, and then clicking on Pen. Choose your pen type and color, attach your text to a shape, and watch Cricut ink its heart out. Here's a tip. Cricut pens can create neat lettering for people who don't love their handwriting. Which of these ideas would you try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and in the next video, I'll show you even more ways to bring your creative journaling to life. Don't miss it.